Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying accounts and permissions. This is why it matters. WhatsApp stores backups in iCloud Drive tied to your Apple ID. Once done, open Settings to confirm iCloud Drive is enabled and that your iPhone uses the Apple ID that holds the WhatsApp backup. Then go straight into WhatsApp, tap Settings, Chats, Chat Backup, and note the last backup date and file size so you know if the backup you'll view is current. Now you examine iCloud storage details to find the WhatsApp backup and understand what's inside. Go to Settings, tap your name, then iCloud and choose Manage Storage. Select Backups and pick your device. You'll see app-specific data. Look for WhatsApp or a flagged size that matches what you saw in WhatsApp. Make sure iCloud Drive and WhatsApp are allowed to use iCloud. If you don't see WhatsApp listed, that explains why you can't view a backup yet. Finally, to actually view messages, you reinstall or restore WhatsApp on the same number and Apple ID. During setup, choose Restore Chat History from iCloud and wait. This is how you access backed up chats. Make sure you're on strong Wi-Fi and have enough battery, otherwise the restore can time out. If something goes wrong, first verify iCloud storage and permissions, sign out and back into iCloud, update iOS and WhatsApp, and then
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.